You know what the problem is? Doing art studies can be really boring. You know, after you draw something for like 1,000 times, it feels like you're gonna blow a fuse. You know, sort of like that. As time goes on and this continues to happen, you end up loathing your study sessions and inevitably burning out. So what's the solution? How do we make something as monotonous as studying, you know, studying art in particular? How do we turn that into something fun and simple? Well, we play video games. All right, I think I'm gonna have to explain myself on this one. In order to make the learning experience engaging and fun, you have to sort of create like some sort of project or activity that kind of ties into what you're doing or what you're trying to achieve. All right, so here's an example on how to use this method I'm talking about. Right now, during my art journey, I'm learning how to draw dynamic poses, figure drawing, you know, all that stuff. Rather than going the traditional route and using some website like Figurosity or QuickPose to draw from reference, I do something a little different. I play Street Fighter 5.
You what?
Yeah, I'm definitely not a pro. I literally just bought it like maybe 3 weeks ago or something like that. I'm completely trashed at the game, but that's besides the point. Back to the topic of the video. All right, so we're currently in Street Fighter 5, and I'm gonna see if I can break this concept down a little further so you can get it implanted in your little noodle. All right, I decided to stick to training mode because I got completely destroyed in ranked, and I'm not trying to let that happen again. And to make this study method even more enjoyable, I used the best character in the game. And no, it's not this basic character here. And no, it's not this Aladdin Jafar from afar looking dude. And no, it's not Great Value Stalin. I said the best character in the game.
Let me hear your sweet scream.
Ah, yes. Best character in the game. For obvious reasons.
Boy, if you don't...
Alright, since I'm a genius, I know exactly what you're thinking. You're thinking, Enderman, you're off the shrooms, buddy. How in the heck are you gonna use a video game to practice your art skills, man? Well, after recording some god tier footage, I simply scrub through the video, pause it whenever I see a cool looking pose, and then I just draw it. So I'm essentially killing 2 stones with 1 bird. I'm essentially killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Not only do I get to improve my drawing skills by drawing some dynamic and intense poses like, you know, like these, but I'm also improving my combo game, which I still don't know how to do to this very day. To all you Street Fighter players out there, you gotta understand, I'm coming from Smash, and last time I checked, I didn't have to solve a differential equation to do one of my moves, alright?
What the fuck?
So if you're thinking about going to the comment section and flaming my gameplay, alright, relax, alright? Listen, I'm not saying that you have to use a video game to, you know, study, because that may not be productive for everybody. You may, you know, get into the game so much that you just end up playing that the entire time without studying. I'm just saying to use your brain to think of creative ways to get you hyped to practice and make it exciting. So whether that be creating your own characters to practice anatomy, or just character design in general, or looking at movies to gather reference footage for animations, illustrations, things like that. How you go about making your study sessions fun is entirely up to you. You just gotta use your noggin to think of creative ways to avoid burnout and boredom. Alright, so you got it? Okay, good. I think you get the picture. Anyways, I'm gonna go look at some more of Jury, okay?
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
For educational purposes, of course. Yeah, let's go with that. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel, hitting the bell so you don't miss a single Enderman Classic. Check out the description for some fun links, join the Discord server, and check out the Master Plan, a year-long art challenge that's gonna take your art skills to the next level. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. This is Enderman from Enderman Arts, signing off.